Good morning, my dear children and parents. Welcome to the E-class of Indus Valley Public School RAT. So today, my dear children, we are going to study about a chapter, A Gift of Chapels from Honeycomb, written by Vasanta Surya. In this chapter, we will be studying about childhood, how you people are spending your days right now. Then we will be studying about how you people are growing up, okay, via the story of A Gift of Chapels. Then your brotherhood, how your siblings used to hide the things of your brother and sisters, how you people maintain the secrecy of your brothers and sisters, okay. This is what it will be discussed in this lesson. And you will be learning about the kindness that you people show to the animals, okay, and towards the human being. So it will be a kindness towards humanity as well as for the social animals also. Fine. So different characters are there in the story. Mridul, Ravi and Meena, they are cousins. Ravi and Meena brothers and sisters. MP Purnai, the name of the cat. Rukumani is the Mridyu's aunt. Then Tapi, Mridyu's grandmother. And in Tamil we call them Patti. Thatha, Mridyu's grandfather. Then music master is also there and a beggar is also there. So total how many characters are there in this lesson? Total 9 characters are there. Okay. Now we are going to study about the lesson. So what you will see in this lesson, ki Mridyu, she is visiting Rukumani's house. That is, she is coming to the to her aunt's home, where she sees a pair of slippers covered with dust. It's very big slipper, and that slipper has a mark. Like when you wear your slippers for a long time, so your finger marks, your toe marks, everything comes over there. Similar she used to see. And as soon as she entered the house, Ravi dragged her to the backyard, and there they have all this brothers and sisters have hide a kitten. And Ravi asked that not to tell about the kitten to the aunt, that means Rukumani, because they say that ki elder people always says to be kind with the animal, and if they becomes, then they means elders start screaming. So now screaming means चिल्लाना. पहले तो बोलते हैं कि सबके साथ अच्छे से रहो, जानवरों के साथ दया दिखाओ, और जब हम उनके दया दिखाने लगते हैं तो फिर वो चिल्लाने लगते हैं, गंदे हो जाएंगे हाथ, उनसे दूर रहो, उनको ये है, बीमारी है, वो है, चिल्लाते ना इस तरह से. Same they were saying. So now my dear children, we will be starting with the lesson, okay. Now before lesson I'll tell you about the writer also. Now it's very important part. So name of the writer is Vasanta Surya. So Vasant is an Indian film director, producer and screenwriter working in the Tamil film industry. He was born on 12th August 1963. Following a stint as journalist and after assisting K. Balachandar, he made his directorial debut with Keladi Kannamani in 1990, which along with the trend-setting Asai 1995 are considered his finest and most successful films. Known for being realistic, his films have been described as a middle path between parallels and commercial cinema, revolving around social themes and relationships. He had been awarded National Film Award for Best Short Fiction Films 2007. So this is about the author. So he is a Tamilian author, and he is working in a film industry as a director, producer and screenwriter. He has been awarded for Best short fiction films. Okay, this is all about the Vasanta Surya. Now your chapter is coming up. So before we start, we should read it. Mridyu is a young girl growing up in Madras. So Mridyu is from Madras, recently known this place as Chennai. And with Tapi. So who is Tapi? Tapi is her grandmother. Then Tata is her grandfather. So what happened one day? Tapi decided to take Mridyu to his aunt's place. Okay. So what is the name of the aunt? Rukumani. To meet the cousin. What are the name of the cousin? Lali, Ravi and Meena. Okay. Lali is also one there. We missed out Lali. So now coming to the first part of the gift of Chappal. A smiling Rukumani threw open the door. So what is said in this line? It is said that Rukumani, she opened the door and she was smiling. Ravi and Meena rushed out and Ravi pulled Mridyu into the house. So as soon as they came to know that Mridyu is coming, so everybody rushed towards the door. जैसे आपको पता होता है कि आपकी कोई अच्छे भाई बहन जिससे आपकी बहुत बनती है वो आने वाले हो, तो तुरंत दरवाजे पे चले जाते हो और उसको अंदर खींच के ले आते हो ना. Similarly in this manner also, Ravi and Meena rushed out and pulled Mridyu into the house. और उन्होंने मृत्यु को घर के अंदर खींच लिया. Wait, let me take off my slipper, protested Mridyu. So as soon as they both started pulling her inside the house, so she said, means Mridyu said, please wait, no, let me take out my slippers, no. पहले चप्पल तो उतार लूँ तब तो मैं अंदर आऊँगी. She set them out neatly near a pair of large black ones. So she taken out her slippers and she placed very nicely, very neatly next to the slippers that is very large black color. Okay, those were grey, actually with dust. So that black color slippers were looking like as if they are grey. Why? Because too much dust was there on that slipper. You could see the clear mark of every toe on the front part of each slipper. So marks were there on the slippers. As your slippers becomes old and you used to wear for a long time, then your finger, your toe marks come in front of the slipper, no. पैर चप्पल के आगे वाले पोर्शन पे आपके पैरों के निशान उस पर पड़ जाते हैं ना. So similarly that kind of marks were there on the slipper. The mark of the two big toes were long and scrawny. Means the marks जो toe के थे ना वो बहुत लंबे और पतले थे. toe मतलब पैरों की अंगूठा. Okay. Mridyu did not have much time to wonder about whose slippers they were, because Ravi dragged her to the backyard behind a thick bitter berry bush. So what happened? So Mridyu was thinking whose slipper it is, but she did not have much time. उसका ज़्यादा time नहीं था क्योंकि जो रवि था, he was dragging her towards the backyard. Backyard है आपको जो garden होता है back side का, and pull her under the berry bush tree. There inside a torn football lined with sacking and filled with sand, they lay a very small kettle lapping up milk from a coconut half shell. So what happened? What was there in their backyard? So there was a kitten, and where she was placed? She was placed on a football, half cut football was there, and that kitten was inside that football and she was lapping milk from the coconut shell. जो कोकोनट का ऊपर वाला पार्ट होता है वो हाफ कट होके उसके अंदर पानी दूध था, and she was lapping that. We found him outside the gate this morning. He was mewing and mewing, poor things, said Meena. So now Meena is saying, see here how they have found the thing. This is there, no? Cat is there. See how the under the bush cat is sitting and she is lapping and now everybody is there. So now Meena is saying that we found this cat outside the gate where she was mewing. She was crying, and we left her and we left that kitten and we brought to the backyard and we hide that kitten from our elders, from our mother's eyesight. leave for Padu Mama's house if she know we have a cat. So she is saying that leave all this thing and we have to hide this because Mama will, if he will come to know, then he will shout. Now next thing. People are always telling us to be kind to animals, but when we are, they scream, "Oh, don't bring that dirty creature here," said Ravi. So now Ravi is saying that जो भी हमारे elders होते हैं, people होते हैं, they used to say that we should be kind to a animal. We should be kind to them. But when we start doing that kind of activity, when we start doing to show them kindness, then they start screaming, they start shouting on us, they start yelling on us कि away from that dirty creature. जब वो लोग बोलते रहे पहले इनके साथ अच्छे से रहो, दया दिखाओ, जानवरों को कभी परेशान नहीं करो, तो हम उनको जब दया दिखाने जाते हैं तो वो हम पे चिल्लाते हैं कि इनसे दूर रहो, ये बहुत गंदे क्रिएचर है. कि कौन बोल रहा है? रवि. Do you know how hard it is just to get a milk from the kitchen? So now again Ravi is saying that it's very hard to bring milk for this kitten from the kitchen. Pati saw me with a glass in my hand just now. So now he is telling that when he was bringing milk from the kitchen, Pati means grandmother, she saw that milk in my hand. I told her, I am very hungry, I want to drink it. But the way she looked at me, I had to drink most of it to throw her off the scent. So what happened? He is saying that he realized that when he was bringing the milk, Pati saw. So in order to confuse her, throw her off the scent means in order to confuse her, that is mislead her so that she cannot understand. So I had to drink the milk in front of her eyes and I had to drink most of the milk. Then she wanted the tumbler back. So now she is saying keep the glass back also after drinking the milk. Pati, I'll wash it myself. Why should I put you to trouble? I told her. I had to run and pour the milk into the coconut shell and then run back and wash the tumbler and put it back before she got really suspicious. So now Ravi is saying that he told the Pati, he told the grandmother, why you are worried? Why you are getting trouble? I will wash, no? I'll not give you trouble for washing that glass. So meanwhile, he just ran immediately. He poured the milk in the coconut shell and he came back. He washed the tumbler and kept back because otherwise his grandmother will get some kind of suspicious. उसे शक हो जाता ये कुछ ना कुछ तो है, जैसे मम्मी लोग के हम लोग करते रहते हैं ना आगे पीछे कि ऐसा नहीं ऐसा करना है, ऐसा नहीं ऐसा पता ना चल जाए, जल्दी छुपा देते हैं जो भी हम लोग शैतानियाँ करते हैं. The same way Ravi did. Now we have to think of some other way to feed Mahindran. So now Ravi is saying that now we have to choose some option in order to give food to the Mahindran. So who is Mahindran? Mahindran is the name of the cat. Mahindran? This little kitty name is Mahindran. Mridyu was impressed. It was a real name, not just a cute kitty cat name. So when she heard Mridyu, the name of Mahindran, she said, the little kitty name is Mahindran. She was surprised and she was very impressed. She was very happy to know the name of the cat. So then she is saying, it is a real name. It looks like a human name. It's not looking like the name of any cat. Actually, his full name is Mahendravarma Pallava Punnai, that is MP Punnai for short if you like. So now the full name of the cat is Mahendravarma Pallava Punnai. He is a fine breed of cat. So now the description of the cat is given. Just look at his fur like a lion's mane. And you know what the emblem of the ancient Pallava kings was, don't you? He looked expectantly, means hopefully, at Mridyu. So Now then the description was given and they told कि it is looking like the lion's mane. So lions के जो neck पे जो hairs होते हैं just look like same way. It is from the fine breed, मतलब जो cat की बहुत अच्छी breed होती है उसमें से ये है. And they were looking at मृत्यु कि what will be the reaction of the मृत्यु. The मृत्यु giggled. तो उसको हंसी आ गई when they were given the description of the cat. Think I'm joking? Well, just said, I will show you sometime. It's clear you don't know a thing about history. Haven't you been to Mahabalipuram? Have you? He said mysteriously, that means secretly. So what happened? So now Ravi is saying that when Mridu started laughing or smiling when he was given the description of Mahendran, that time Ravi is saying that I'll prove it that she is from the Lions family and he is from the Lions family and from a good breed. Because it's very clear, don't you know about the history? So now Ravi is saying that because if people do not know the history, you have never gone to Mahabalipuram. In that place it is told that cats are from the family of the lions, and he said a lot many secret things are there. Well, when our class went to Mahabalipuram, I saw statue of his Thathas, that is grandfather, etc., etc. So now Ravi is saying that when his class went to a tour to Mahabalipuram, he had seen the ancestors of the cat. Fact is, Mahendran here is descendant from that very same ancient cat. So now he is saying that Mahendran उसी की ही family ancestors family से belong करती है. A close relative, scientifically speaking, of none other than the lion. So now he is saying that his family is a breed of the lion. The Pallava lion, emblem of the Pallava dynasty. So now Ravi is giving the description of Pallava dynasty and he is telling about the history, what he has seen there, what he has learnt. Okay. Ravi went on, walking around the bitterberry bush, waving a twig up and down, his eyes sparkling. So now what happened when he was telling about the Mahendran, about the history of Pallava dynasty and all, that time he was moving around the tree where the cat was kept and he was shaking the leaves of that plant. The cat is a descendant, that is come from the same family of none other than the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat. So now he is saying that this cat is from nowhere but from the Mahabalipuram, from the Rishi cat. And if I may just remind you, they worshipped cat in ancient Egypt. So now he is saying that cats are worshipped in Egypt. Okay, so where the cats are worshipped in the ancient time, they were worshipped in the Egypt. How he loved the sound of his own voice. Meena and Mridu exchanged look. So now he is saying, Mridu and Meena is saying that how he is loving his sound. What does that have to do with anything? Mridu demanded. So now when Ravi was explaining all that thing, then Mridu said, what we have to do? We are not bothered about all these things. I'm telling you, this cat is descendant from the Egyptian cat god. No, goddesses. Bastet. Yeah, that's it. So now Ravi is saying that I am just telling about the history of the cat and telling you that in the Egypt they are treating them as god, not goddesses. So now they are saying, Mridu and Meena, so what to do? Well, one of the descendant of that cat goddess was a stowaway in one of the Pallava ship, and his descendant was the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat who descended it. Ravi flourished his twig at Mahendran. MP Punnai here. Whoop, ik, he shrieked, very pleased with himself. So when Ravi was explaining about the Mahendran, about the history, whatever he read out, whatever he seen, he was very happy and telling everything in a very happy manner, and he was pleasing himself. वो अपनी तारीफ किए जा रहा था. Mahendran looked up, alarmed. He had just seen sharpening his claws on the edge of the coconut shell. So now what happened after drinking the milk, Mahendran the cat, he was very active, and he opened the claws, जो पैर के पंजे होते हैं उसको open, and he started to rub her this thing, no, claw at the edge, on the edge of the coconut shell. But worse than Ravi's awful whoop was a screech from the window. What a weird sound! If Mridyu was startled, MP Punai was frightened out of his wit. Here, standing on end, he bounced up and scurried towards a bamboo tray of red chilies that had been set out to dry. Trying to hide beneath it, he tipped a few chilies over himself. Meow, he howled miserably. So what happened when they were there with the cat? So suddenly a sound of screech came, and that is the sound of a window. It's fine. So now they said ki if somebody will see from that window, then everybody can be able to observe the cat. So what? Some dry red chilies were there on the roof, on that backyard. So what they started to hide from that chili, and they thought ki if something will happen, then problem will come. Screeching sound went on and on. What's that noise? Said Mridyu. So now that sound was there, screeching sound was coming continuously. So everybody is asking, everyone's surprised ki which sound it is. Then that's Lali learning to play the violin, grunted Ravi. Ravi थोड़ा सा गुस्से में बोला कि ये साउंड लाली यहाँ से आ रही है, and she is learning how to play violin. She will never learn a thing. The music master just goes on playing like a train whizzing on and on, while Lali's all the time derailing, going completely off track. So now Ravi is telling that ki she is every day she used to play violin in such a weird manner. Whenever the music master used to play, it is like the notes, like smooth running of the train. But whenever she is playing, it is out of the track. मतलब जब म्यूज़िक मास्टर प्ले करते हैं तो पूरे सुर में अच्छे से ध्वनि निकालते हैं, बट जब ये लाली प्ले करती है तो पूरा ऑफ ट्रैक में प्ले करती है, वो कभी नहीं सीख पाएगी वायलिन. सो ही वॉज थोड़ा सा गुस्सा बिकॉज ही वॉज नॉट एबल टू प्ले विद द कैट. इन बिटवीन शी वॉज open the door and she was making sound of screeching like when she used to play violin. तो वहाँ पे sound अच्छा नहीं आता है, तो that screeching sound it becomes. So because of this you get angry. Okay, so now your work is to find out the difficult word that you did not understand and learn them. Write the word meaning of that particular word. Now coming to the comprehension checks, I will explain and you will write the answer by yourself. Okay. So now first question is, what is the secret that Meena shares with Mridyu in the backyard? So what was the secret? So the secret that Meena shares with Mridyu in the backyard was the kitten that was kept under the bush in the half cut football, and what the cat was doing, she was lapping the milk. Okay, so the secret was the kitten that was hidden inside the half cut football under the bush, berry bush. How does Ravi get milk for the kitten? So Ravi get the milk for the kitten from the kitchen in a tumbler. Okay, who does he say the kitten's ancestors are? So he says that lions are the kitten ancestors. Do you believe him? Yes. Why? Because he is giving the facts and figure from the past history. Ravi has a lot to say about MP Punnai. This shows that, so which will be the correct option? He is merely trying to impress Mridhu. His knowledge of history is sound. He has a rich imagination. He is an intelligent child. So option number second, that is, his knowledge of history is sound. What was the noise that startled Mridhu and frightened Mahendran? तो मतलब ऐसा कौन सा साउंड था जो मृदु को अट्रैक्ट कर दिया, डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया और महेंद्रन को डरा दिया? सो दैट द नॉइज दैट स्टार्टलेड मृदु एंड फ्राइटेड महेंद्रन वाज द क्री साउंड दैट वाज कमिंग फ्रॉम Lali when she was playing the violin. Okay, my dear children, so this is what there in this part, and in the next video we will be talking about the next part. So revise it, go through the video. Any problem, please call me up. I'll give you the answers. Till then, bye. Take care. Thank you.